Hi. Today I will be talking about Stellar Data Recovery Software, one of the leading and safe data recovery tools for different devices. You can do Windows data recovery, which recovers lost or deleted Office documents, emails, and also presentations from Windows and Mac. This also does photo recovery from Windows and Mac PC. It's also perfect for iPhone data recovery of photos, videos, contacts, and messages. Stellar also has a tool which gives access to video repair and photo repair as well. You can have a look at the website and also check the testimonials shared by users worldwide. Simply download it and install the software from the site. It's easy and simple. In free versions, Stellar gives the opportunity to recover 1 GB of data for absolutely free. Click on the data type you need to recover. Then Next. Now choose the location or the directory you want to get the files from. Enable Deep Scan and go on. It's now scanning and will take the files you need to recover before you. The scanning is done. I can now recover up to 8 GB of files from this pen drive, but in the free version, we cannot recover more than 1 GB. But you can buy a serial key from the website at reasonable price. All details are given in the description. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment and we will try to help you. Goodbye.